Today I am going to explain you about structural organization in vulpes. Squamous epithelium structure single layer thin, large, flattened cells. Cells have irregular shape and are closely packed in mosaic form. Cells are attached to a basement membrane. Functions: diffusion of gases can acquire easily over surface, supply friction free surface for blood flow, protects and supports underlying tissue. Cuboidal epithelium consists of a monolayer of epithelial cells that appear to be square shaped in cross section. With large rounded centrally located nuclei, all the cells of the epithelium are directly attached to the basement membrane. The important functions of the simple cuboidal epithelium are secretion and absorption. It also includes the movement of mucus out of the terminal bronchioles by ciliated cells, and it is located in kidney tubules, glands and their ducts. Loose connective tissue has cells and fibers loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. Areolar tissue present beneath the skin contains fibroblasts, macrophages. Adipose tissue is located mainly beneath the skin, which is specialized to store fats. Functions of areolar. Areolar tissue binds organs or organ components together and supports structures, allows for movement between structures. Columnar epithelial tissue structure tall elongated column shaped cells. Nucleus near the base of the cell. Cells are attached to a basement membrane. Functions: plays a role in absorption of nutrients, protects and supports underlying tissues, and it is found in the upper respiratory tract. Fallopian tube of vertebrates. Smooth muscle found widespread in body, found in the walls of blood vessel, digestive tract, respiratory ducts, urinary ducts and reproductive ducts, in iris of eye, and form small muscles attached to hair follicles. Every smooth muscle fiber is an elongated thin cell with a thick central part and pointed ends. Every cell has a big nucleus centrally situated. Skeletal muscle is an excitable contractile tissue responsible for maintaining posture and moving the orbits. Cardiac muscle tissue is only found in your heart, where it performs coordinated contractions that allow your heart to pump blood through your circulatory system. They are involuntary and intrinsically controlled, striated, branched, and single nucleated. Cardiac muscle is considered to be an involuntary tissue, because it is controlled unconsciously by regions of the brainstem and hypothalamus. Ciliated epithelium, a region of epithelium consisting of columnar or cuboidal cells bearing hair-like appendages that are capable of beating rapidly. Ciliated epithelium performs the function of moving particles or fluid over the epithelial surface in such structures as the trachea, bronchial tubes, and nasal cavities. Specialized connective tissue includes tendons and ligaments, bone and cartilage, hemopoietic tissue, blood and adipose tissue. Bone contains osteocytes and osteoblasts, which secrete the type of extracellular matrix material that makes up bone. Specialized connective tissue encompasses a number of different tissues with specialized cells and unique ground substances. Cartilage. It is tough, hard, but a flexible connective tissue. It can resist strain and can absorb mechanical shock. It consists of solid or semi-solid matrix in which cartilage cell and fibers are embedded. Depending upon matrix, cartilage are of three types: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage acquires at the ends of the bones in movable joints, parts of the larynx, in the walls of the trachea and bronchi. Elastic cartilage located in the earlobe at the tip of the nose, in the epiglottis and septum of the nose. Fibrocartilage acquires as discs between the vertebrae, surrounds the edges of the sockets of ball and socket joints. Description: The matrix of compact bone consists of collagen fibers together with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Glandular epithelium is a type of epithelial tissue which covers the glands of our body. Their main function is secretion. Both endocrine and exocrine glands produce their secretions through the glandular epithelium via special cells called goblet cells. Glandular epithelial cells make up any glands within the body. Glandular epithelium also lines the intestine. The neural tissue is a specialized tissue with some specialized functions. It is the main component of the nervous system, both the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. This includes the brain, spinal cord, and other types of nerves. In two words, if we have to describe the functions of the neural tissue, we can specify that integration and communication are the main functions of the specialized tissue.